problem. Suppose we are having a two section in a pipe, and at section 1 the diameter of pipe is my 10 centimeter, and section 2 the diameter of pipe is my 15 centimeter. Okay. So if we try to find out the discharge of the pipe, through section 1, this is my section 1 and this is my section 2, and the velocity of the fluid at section 1 is my 5 meter per second, so first we find out the discharge and we will try to find out the velocity at section 2. Okay, so two things will be find out, Q and V2. Okay, so first we find out the area. So area at section 1 is my pi by 4 d1 square, and A2 is my pi by 4 d2 square. So if I am putting the value, that is my pi by 4.10 square and pi by 4.15 square. So after solving we get the value. So that is my point 0.00786 meter square, and this is my 0.0177 meter square. Okay, so I already told you, according to content equation, we can write Q is equal to A into V, A1V1 is equal to A2V2, or is equal to constant. So first we find out the value of the discharge. So Q is equal to A1 into V1. So A1 is my 0.00786 multiplied by 5. So we get the value of Q, that is my 0.03927 meter cube per second. And if I am putting the value of, try to find out the value of V2, so we are taking the formula, that is my Q is equal to A2V2. So from here we put the value, that is my 0.0327 is equal to 0.0177 multiplied by V2. So from this equation we get the value of V2. So what is the value of V2? So by solving this, we get the value of V2, that is my 2.2 meter per second. Either we are comparing this equation and we are using this equation. It depends on you. You can solve by this equation by comparing this equation. Either you can compare the value of A1V1 is equal to A2V2.